Hi everyone and welcome back to the Crazy Bunch channel. This week's video is Trying American Candy Part 2. I went to the shop while I went to town today and I picked some things I have not tried. So this should be interesting because the other one, my reactions were priceless. I have some friends from America and yeah, apparently one of these things aren't nice, so I should have got a stick bucket. And also, I do have makeup on, but I've gone for like the natural makeup look because I couldn't bother to faff out with makeup. And yeah. Anyways, so one thing I've tried is like a kind of other flavour. So I'm going to try. Oh, I don't know what to try first. Should we get the Twinkies out the way? If that's what they're called. Okay. What even is this? Golden sponge cake with creamy filling. Okay. Firstly, I don't like the texture. The texture feels. Oh my god. Ew. I've got a drink because that was foul. I don't know what it is about that, but I don't like them. Ew, no, thank you. Milk chocolate covered mini pretzels, and it's them quite right here. My friend from America, who is part of the Crazy Bunch, who's simply Brie, well, call her Brie. She was going to send me some of these, and I kind of picked them up for a video. Whoopsies, I'm sorry. She's a Muslim. Wait. The size of them, really? No, thank you. Ugh. Ew. I don't know what it is about them. Don't get me wrong. I actually really do love pretzels, but okay. These are Mike and I think. Never seen these in my entire life. I should have really opened the boxes before I started to film this video. Oh. Oh! They just like come like this. Oh. So what flavours is there? We've got strawberry, raspberry, watermelon, fruit punch or chewy. Okay, I'm just picking a random one out. This is a watermelon. It tastes like perfume. Unless it's because I've just had the pretzels. Okay, let's try a strawberry one. Hang on, which one's this? No, this one's cherry, I think. No, that one was nice. The watermelon's vile. Okay. I don't think I'm going to touch any more of them because, oh, now I'm so excited for these ones. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, let me explain about these. Nerds. I love Nerds. The only ones I've ever tried. Please don't hurt me. Wait, I don't see any flavors on there. No. The only ones I've tried is these ones. But I'm going to try these ones today. And I'm going to be extremely hyperactive. And I can never open these boxes. Oh god. Holy macaroni! Oh my god. So, the flavours are savoury strawberry and got to have grape. Okay. Oh. I want to be so hyper and I'm having Red Bull. This is a bad idea to do this video because I'm not going to see if I care. Let's get some on my hand. Whoa, okay. So these are definitely not the ones I always eat. These are a lot darker. Okay, let's just go for it. Oh. Now they were sour. They were tangy. Them ones really were. Them ones really were tangy. Oh god. Oh. Anyways, oh god, my eyes are watering. Anyways, that was this week's video. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Comment down below some video ideas for next week. I also have started a blog. So I've got like a blog, and then we've got then I've got the YouTube thing to start out as well. So like I'm like need ideas for like I've got the blog ideas sorted. Like I just need YouTube ideas. Like I'm also gonna leave the link for the blog like in the description bar down below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Always remember, no matter how hard life gets, always keep smiling. And it might be a fake smile right now, but always turn into a real smile one day. We love you all. We love you so much, and we will see you next week. Bye.